Did you know that you could bring all communications together in one place? Install the Loomly Slack app. The Loomly Slack app allows you to receive notifications in Slack when in Loomly. A collaborator requests approval for, approves, requires edits, schedules, or publishes a post, assigns a post to you, leaves a comment or mentions you, but also when a post needs to be published, has failed publishing. Installing the Loomly Slack app is quick and easy. 1. Go to your Notifications tab in Account Settings. 2. Open the panel corresponding to the calendar for which you want to activate Slack notifications. 3. Under the section of Connected Notifications Provider, click on Connect. 4. You are redirected to Slack. Select where in Slack you want to receive your Loomly notifications and authorize Loomly to connect to your Slack workspace. 5. Back to Loomly. Select which Loomly notifications you want to receive in Slack. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact our team, either through our chat or over email at contact@loomly.com.